Today's video, I want to show you how to add a text type moving watermark here. And this basically is using the Capcut editor app and will help to prevent other people from using your video content. So you can have your watermark on it moving around, making it harder for other people to actually take your video and use it for their own. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have the latest update for your Capcut editor app. Then on your video, when you're ready to add your text watermark, you'll go into the text section here. And of course, you'll go now to add text. Once here now, you'll go ahead and type in whatever it is that you want to have as your watermark. May it be your username, your YouTube user channel name, any one of them. For me, I'm just going to put in the word watermark so we know that that's what we're working with. Now, the funny thing about the Capcut editor is when you're editing the text here. So you want to, of course, start with a font style that would work good for you. And on top of that, you want to go to the effects and choose a specific color that when you put it to fade out, the text can still be visible. And I would recommend using something with white or silver, like this one here or this one here, right? These work really good when you have them faded out. Now, in order to have them make them fade out or reduce the transparency of it, you'll go to where it says styles here. And once you're under the text section here, you'll just see this option here. This now, when you bring it over, you'll notice how it becomes faded. And you can adjust it to how much you want it to be. It's up to you. I'm going to let it be a little bit visible so you can see how it works now. So once you're done with that, you have now set your text watermark here. Next up, I want you to set this here to the starting point of your video and to the end part of your video. And this is going to be how long it's going to be playing into your video. And you want this to continuously play so that at no given point, anyone can take your video content and use it, okay? Now, with all that said and done, now you add your watermark text. You will now come back here if you are ready to do this. Tap here, and you'll notice this little diamond thing here with the plus where my pen is pointing, this one right there. Once you tap on that, that's going to initiate the first starting point of your keyframe. So I'll go ahead and tap on that once. You'll notice that little diamond there. And to have that text moving about, what you're going to do now as you start your keyframe point, you're going to move the timeline first. So down here, you're going to move this first to where into the video you want it to move next. So I wanted to move from there to here. And you can use the time here to know how far in the video you are in. And to create your second keyframe point, once you've reached the part you want to set it to move in, you'll now move the text itself. When I let it go, you'll notice the diamond here. So you'll do this again, move the timeline, then move the text. And you'll notice another diamond has been created. Move the timeline, move that there, and then move the text. Move the timeline, text, timeline, text. Move the timeline, text, move the timeline, text. And you can just do it how you want it to move about your video. And you just keep doing this until you reach the end part of your video. So I have a very short video here, but it was just to give you an idea of how it works. Now, once you're done, now you'll press play to get an idea of how the watermark will be moving around in your video. So I'll press play now, and you'll see it's going to be moving about. Right? So you can make it a bit more transparent, more lighter, so it wouldn't show too much. So now people who's watching a video will not only see your username, but also see that they cannot take this video content easily from you. All right? So if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.